Hello, I'm Ralphie, the guard dog here at Sailing. I'd like to show you that having a touchscreen scope speeds up your work amazingly. Wave surfer scopes include powerful triggering, advanced math, and a large set of debug tools, all of which are easily controlled through the intuitive touchscreen user interface. The front panel is available for all of the controls, but the touchscreen also provides faster one-touch access to all the most common functions. Everything on the display acts like a button. To control the trigger, simply press the trigger box. To control horizontal, press time base, and for vertical, touch the panel descriptor. Measure, math, and analysis tools can all be accessed from the top pull-down menus, and shortcuts are available by touching the actual waveform. Bye for now. I'm going back to my guard duties.